Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time, we will learn how to make rib on circular edge like this in SolidWorks. So here we want to try to make rib with feature, simple rib, and use lofted boss or base rib. So just start it. First we want to try with a simple rib in here, just with rib. So first right click on front plane, just click sketch. Now for example, make a line, draw from this point to this. For to edge circle like this, we can to try to make a rib. If we just make line like this and we click OK, it will be error. So we can try in here. For example, thickness in 10, let's try and reboot error. So we can to modify this sketch with add a line in here and add a line again in here. Yes, it is. We can to make this line, click Ctrl and select this line, just click make equal and add for dimension, for example in here 1 millimeter like this. So just like feature again and click rib. Now for parameter thickness in both sides, thickness in 10 millimeter for example, then just click OK. Now it will be rib. It's not error, but we can see for result connection, this edge, circular edge with rib is not perfect. It's more like this, and here the connection it's more from this edge. We just use rib with rib feature in SolidWorks. Here I want to explain you what is rib feature. Rib feature is a special tool made only for ribs. How it works, you draw one line like before, and SolidWorks automatically create the rib thickness. Why use it? It's fast, easy, and good for beginner, but for connection it's not perfect like this. Okay, for limitation, rib shape is simple and not good for circular edge like this and more complex rib. So we can to delete this rib, right click and click delete, click yes, and sketch, right click and click delete, click yes. Now we can to try make a rib with lofted boss or base. So first we can to make two sketch like this. So right click on this face and click sketch, draw corner rectangle, this, ensure this midpoint, click and click Ctrl on your keyboard, click this point, just click make vertical. For example, thickness or width in 10 millimeter. So we must to change this sketch and apply from this circular face with curve feature. Select feature and click curve, click split line. Now for type split, click a middle in projection and selection in current sketch, and for face just click this face. Now we can do check this on single direction to here and just click OK. Now we can see for sketch apply from to change to here to this circular face. Now right click on this face and click sketch and draw corner rectangle again like this. Ensure this midpoint, click Ctrl and select this point, just click make horizontal, then set width in 10 millimeter like before, and just click convert entities for this edge and this edge. Click OK. We can do trim entities for this edge, and this edge. We just need sketch like this. Click OK, and we can do exit sketch. Now we have this sketch and this face like this, so we can to use lofted boss or base feature. Here, what is it? Lofted boss or base? Lofted boss is a general tool to connect shape. So this face to the sketch, just click lofted boss or base And in here you can see for menu in the left. For profile, you can select this face and just click on this sketch. Now we can see two green point like this. We can adjust position, but for make a rib on circular edge, you must try like this, position like this, drag like this, left click and hold. You can adjust for position like this. Okay, how it works? You draw two or more close sketch like this. We have to sketch in this face, and SolidWorks blend them together. Rib shape can change size or shape. Why use it? It's very flexible shape like this, and we can to draw our micro rib on circular edge in here on circular edge, and we can to click OK. Now rib the result like this. It's perfect connection like this on circular edge. I more like to use lofted boss or base to make a rib on circular edge like this, but it's back. It's appropriate you want and you need, but I more like to use rib with lofted boss or base because the connection is clean and perfect like this. Okay, it's different how to use a rib with rib feature, simple rib, and lofted boss or base. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this tutorial. Thank you for watching alien video and see you in the next tutorial. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.